So here, I'm gonna bring something inside that you guys gonna love it right here. So this house, I'm gonna give you a breakdown on the roof cost, the siding cost, if you're doing a bathroom cost, if you're gonna do a kitchen cost, if you're gonna repair the entire house, front entrance. So I give you overall a breakdown price so you can understand what you may spend in your home. Again, every house are different, and depending on your situation and your test and your selection, the price may vary. So in this case, this roof right here, it's a $37,000 roof. It's a Grand Man of Certainty. Is it's kind of the best you can get on the asphalt shingles. The exterior house repairing and paint, that's a $40,000. Between painting, repairing, we had to repair about 5 squares, which it's about 5,000 square foot of repairs. We had to repair all the wooden siding in here, waterproof and everything. That's about $40,000 repainting and repairing the house. That includes the trim and includes the gutters. Now the bathroom in here, the bathroom on the second floor is about $50,000. I'm sorry, I'm wrong. $60,000 bathroom because it has all marble stone and best finished fixtures inside. The interior paint, it's about the first floor about $15,000 for the interior paint. The hardwood floors for the first floor was $9,000. The garbage enclosure about $7,000. What else? Front porch entrance, the 2 entrance all the way to the footing, rebuilt complete from scratch, was $29,000. I think that's pretty much it. Now again, this covers also the garage. So I hope we give you guys some breakdowns in there.
So what's the total price?
Total price that probably was around $200,000 for it. So I will average for a full home renovation in this stage, I will average between 180 to 250,000. All depends how you do it. Now we didn't do the kitchen in this house. Kitchens you can go up to 150,000 if you really want to go crazy, and the nicest one, or you can spend as low as 60,000.